Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a review of a trade that was directly off my watch list from last night. I did not trade it. However, it did exactly what I wanted it to do, what I was hoping it would do. Uh, a really nice play. The reason why I picked it was because of the recent reverse split. Had a 1 for 10, and it was right at a $4 breakout level here, and it closed just below 4, and just looking for that continuation higher. And sure enough, we got it. Um, and it was such an easy, nice play, easy places to get in. Really would have been a really nice trade, but there would have been two ways to play this, two long ways to play this. The break of red to green right here. So we got the quick little sell off, quick pop up and consolidation in here, and then got the move ahead. Or if you wanted to be really safe, I know some people only like to play high of pre-market or break of pre-market highs, which would have been right in here. Either way, because it did. I'll zoom in here so then you can kind of see, but it did top out at pre-market highs once on that quick little green candle, the second candle of the day. So maybe you'd want to make sure that that's going to break. Now I get it. That is the safe way to do it. So you could mark that out either here or in there and have a stop limit order set for it. That's how I like to get into breakouts and breakdowns. It just makes it easy. The It basically does it for you. There's no stress. If it breaks it, you're in. Your order is already placed. You're already in there. You're good to go. So if you would have taken your max upside, would have been, I think, 60 cents. Yeah, 63 cents of upside. So you sell on this candle once you saw that big spike and then retrace up. So you're going to want to sell in there. Or you could have watched for it because it didn't move too much. You could have been looking for a high of day break. But if you're just looking for that quick trade, I like trying to go for those bigger picture type setups. Lately, I've been really patient. Sometimes it pays off, sometimes it doesn't. But trading is about trading, not being fucking trigger happy, right? You know, that seems to be the way to play. I got into it with a video I did last night about people taking 15 fucking trades a day and everything else. So just got to be patient, right? So, anyways, enough of my fucking tangent there. But another way to play it, this made a perfect ABC, not the D, but an ABC pattern. Of course, you don't know what the market's going to do, right? So we'll leave it on here for now. So you get the A, you get the B on the pullback, and then now it starts making higher lows. And these are I'll go to the 2-minute chart, might be a little bit better. It's a little thinly traded in the afternoon, but these candles here, right in this area, I call them anticipation candles. They're just kind of making higher lows. Yeah, it's a little choppy, but it's riding that 9. Um, uh, I've always called them anticipation candles. I don't know why. I kind of came up with that because it's like the traders are anticipating that move higher. You can almost feel it. If this had a little more volume, you could definitely see them a little clearer, and they'd be nice, crisp, and clean. But anyways, so um, if you took that in here, once it starts making that little U shape, those anticipation candles, you're only risking like fucking 5 cents. 5 cents for a potential move back up to high of day, which is about 50 cents of upside. Um, so we'll fast forward here. Obviously, it didn't do that. It started selling off. It's also Friday. Remember, had this been a Monday through Thursday, I'm sure it probably would have got back up, but Friday, no one's buying towards the end of the day. Everyone's covering their positions. Everyone's selling off their positions for the weekend. So that's one thing to remember too. Um, so once it starts kind of getting back towards VWAP, sell it off, just get rid of it. It's getting pretty close to the end of the day. You could have even just taken it here, got that first push up, and be done with it. Get a couple thousand shares. It's a couple few $100 very, very quickly. Easy, stress-free, easy money. But yeah, I just wanted to do that watch list review on RNN. There was a couple other for my watch list that did all right in the morning and then kind of sold off. But Any was one of them. It had a nice little play. So the watch list is pretty good for morning spikes and those quick continuation plays. So it's definitely worth looking into. Like I said, next week will be a little better price stocks in the $3 and above. I'm done with the really low priced stocks like Annie and PED. They had their run. The reason why I was watching them, I don't usually play them. Don't get me wrong, is because for the past 2 weeks they've been running like fucking banshees, man. So yeah, they were definitely worth a watch. But now I think their time in the sun is done and the shades are drawn. So that's all I really wanted to say. Check out my watch list. I send them out daily during the week, and check them out. Thanks, guys.